In this video, we're going to take the Arrma Fury 2 to 3S out for jump after jump after jump to see if it survives.
All right, y'all, just a quick run of the Fury. I'm out here doing some testing and stuff, and I figured go ahead, let's get this out. Some people don't like two-wheel drive vehicles, but they're fine. If you've driven a two-wheel drive car, try to make sure I can hit this, you should be fine with it. And this has the DSC on it, so it does help. And it is on mode 4, so that does help with some traction. Look at that. I would love to see this in the hands of a pro driver on a track, properly set up. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be a racing bred SCT truck or a short course truck, but it would be nice to see how this performs out there. So I guess I have to be the one to take it out to a track. And I am going to cheat because the DSC will be on. Look how smooth that jumps. Most short course trucks catch a lot of air, especially when the wind's blowing. But it's got more than enough power. And this is on 3S. This is actually a 2600 milliamp 3S. Wow. Where'd that pole come from? It jumped out from me, Mom. That's what I said when I broke a car when I was little. Probably shouldn't hit it that hard, but oh, no land on your feet there. So people are concerned about the two-wheel drive Vortex that's coming out, and I think it'll be fine, guys. I don't think it'll have any problems, especially if it handles like that and if I can get my jumping on now. Let these people go by. Definitely don't want to jump into nobody. And here's my friend the pole again. Yeah, they're far enough away. The Fury's doing good. Now, people have questioned about this 2 to 3S system. I've only had one issue, and that was with my Big Rock, and I'm gonna do probably an update on that. I gotta see if there's a software or firmware update or something for it. The Typhon I didn't have problems with. I'm sorry, the Granite, not the Big Rock, but the Granite is the one I had a problem with. The Big Rock I didn't have any issues with or anything, so maybe it's a here and there thing, I don't know. It is what, a 45 amp speaker? So I think they need to bump it up to about 60 to 80, but I don't know what I hit there. All right, we're gonna try to hit this hard. Look at that. It's got me jumping over here, but it's doing fine. Now we're gonna try to hit this going full speed like this. No problem at all. And it is bone stock, so we're gonna do one big final jump. Go all the way down here, full speed. Ooh-wee. Uh-oh. I think my shock might have came loose on the rear end or something on that last one. I don't think so. No, just need to get some thicker oil on these shocks. But he's doing good. Look at that. Nope. Oh. So good job with this one, Arrma, in my opinion. I know everybody's entitled to their own, especially with this DSC that's on here. You guys see this is full acceleration, no spinning out or anything like that. And let me show you if I turn this all the way off real quick. Turn this to the right, hit this button. So now it's on 1. You guys see how it kind of accelerates. Sorry about that. I'm setting up and turning the camera the other way. You see how it accelerates off? Watch this. See that? And then if I turn it on 4, you guys hear that? Show you this real quick before we end this video. Probably ran into something there. All right, straight acceleration. A little bit straighter than it was on 1. All right, y'all, I wanted to get this out. I wanted to jump it on this ramp. So it's a bigger, wider ramp coming probably in the next week or 2. It's gonna be a couple inches on the ramp over here, but I at least want to get this out and try this. So put your comments down below, get the like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you watching.